Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I hope you are all well. Today, I will tell a story including some important tips for those who have YouTube channel and website about the AdSense letter, how to get AdSense letter and insert AdSense pin. Before starting my story and also tutorials, I will request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for regular update. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfor Rahman, the digital expert. Let's start. Dear viewers, it is important factor for those who are eagerly waiting for the AdSense letter from the Google headquarters, because you have to fill up some important criteria for this, just like uh, identity verification, address verification, and last, inserting pin. This is the three important steps you have to perform or maintain well or properly. First step, you need to verify your identity, and about this I have made a video tutorial and you can find it also in my channel. And after that, you have to need verify your address, uh, and this kind of video is also in my YouTube channel. You can find it easily after entering my YouTube channel as well. Dear viewers, now I will tell some important tips or tricks for you, for those who are eagerly waiting for the AdSense letter from the Google headquarters. Now, you have to put, um, remember, you have to put your home address very accurately. You have to put your home address very accurately, including the postal code and mobile number. Please remember that you have to put your home address very accurately, including mobile number and postal code. And also you have to make a proper communication with the postal department in your local area. As I have made I made a communication with my local area's post office, and when my access letter came from the Google headquarters, then the postman mobiled me or phoned me, please mm, come in the post office and take your letter as well. And it is for me very easy. It is easy for me to collect my AdSense letter from the post office. If you don't do this, please, before entering your home address or before submitting your address verification or completing address verification, please remember that you have to put your home address accurately in English, and also include your mobile number and postal code correctly. If you include mobile number in your AdSense address, then the postal department of your country will be able to find out you easily by phoning you, by mobile you. I have practical experience about this, because I I have got my AdSense letter from the post office, and I also mm, gave my mobile number and also correct postal code. So the postal department of my country easily find me by mobile me. By calling me, easily find me. Dear viewers, now it's the second part of my tutorial, how you insert your AdSense pin. Let's start. Dear viewer, this is the Google AdSense letter. This kind of letter you will get from the post office. After getting this, you have to open it very carefully. Please look at this letter. Remove site edges first. You have to remove this site at first. This kind of arrow sign you have to remove. You have to open it this side at first. Please be careful, and you have to remove very slowly. This is the process of removing your letter in 3 sides, and this is the code number, and you will get the code number in very big letter. You can see this is the code number. You have to insert your own account, own AdSense account as well. This is the Google AdSense account. And how can you do it? Yes, after entering your Google AdSense account, then you will see that there is a important notification has come from the Google headquarters that in red circle in the above of your AdSense homepage, your payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. It means you have to verify your address by entering your Google AdSense PIN number. So, what will you do? Just simple. Just click this action button in the right side of this notification as well. Click the action button. Then the next page will come in verification check option. That look at the page that as the first step, identify verification complete, then address verification on the way. Now you have to click their 6-digit PIN that you got from the Google AdSense letter. You have to insert the 6-digit PIN here and click the submit and done. But it is reminding that it is your great reminder for you. If the AdSense letter didn't come after 1 month, then you have to click the recent PIN beside the submit button. You can see that recent PIN, and from this process, if you didn't get again after first month, then you can click recent PIN again for the third time. You can click this recent PIN only for fourth time only. Then you have another option for PIN troubleshooter. Then you have another option for your address verification using PIN troubleshooter. You can get many tutorials in the YouTube. You can find your video. How can you identify your address verification using PIN troubleshooter? If you didn't get your PIN from the Google after resending PIN fourth time, please remember, uh, you can want the pin from the Google just fourth time by pressing the recent pin here. After fourth time, still you didn't get the pin from the Google, then you have to verify your address using that pin troubleshooter as well, and you can get many tutorials from the YouTube, and then you can do it. After putting your 6-digit pin, then this kind of notification and this kind of green signal will come that address verification complete. You have done the two important step for your Google AdSense letter very quickly or very easily. After that, this is 6-digit verification pin box. I have mentioned you, and yes, this is another tips here. 6-digit verification pin. You have to insert this 6-digit verification from the Google Google AdSense letter, and under this box, please be careful. Under this box, you have 3 attempts remaining. It means if you didn't get the AdSense letter after 1 month, then you have to resend pin again, and this process you can again you have again 2 chance after 3 months, after 4 months. I mean, you can want your pin number from the Google just only fourth time, including the first one. If first one has done, then 3 attempts remaining. You have 3 attempts remaining. I mean, you have only 3 attempts, including the first one. That's all, dear viewers. I hope my tutorial is very useful for you, for those who are eagerly waiting for the access letter for their address verification and also the identity verification as well. Please be careful and follow my advice and rules. If you like my video, please, I am requesting to subscribe my channel and stay with me. Goodbye, bye bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me, www.lutfor11.com. Thanks.